The sin God Himself will never forgive. Did you know na sabi sa Bible, lahat ng kasalanan pwedeng patawarin, except one? Nakakagulat, di ba? Murder, betrayal, kahit denial of God. All can be forgiven. Pero si Jesus mismo ang nagsabi na may isang kasalanan na hindi talaga mapapatawad. In Matthew 12:31-32, Jesus says, "Every sin and blasphemy will be forgiven men, but the blasphemy against the Spirit will not be forgiven." At dagdag pa sa Mark 3:29, "Whoever blasphemes against the Holy Spirit never has forgiveness, but is guilty of an eternal sin." But this doesn't mean na may hangganan ng mercy ng Diyos. Hindi. Kasi His mercy is infinite. The only reason this sin is unforgivable ay dahil mismong tao ang nagsasara ng pintuan ng awa. Blasphemy against the Holy Spirit means a heart na ayaw magsisi, ayaw kilalanin ang kasalanan, at tinatanggihan ang forgiveness ng Diyos. Hindi ito isang pagkakamali ng salita lang. It's a hardened state of pride. Kaya kung nag-aalala ka na, baka nagawa mo na ito. Actually, that very worry is proof na hindi mo pa nagagawa. Kasi ang unforgivable sin ay yung final, deliberate refusal to let God forgive you. Habang kaya mo pang sabihin, "Lord, have mercy," the door is still open. Closing reflection. God's mercy is always waiting. Ang tanging kasalanan na hindi niya mapapatawad ay yung kasalanan na ayaw nating ipatawad niya.